Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sophie D, and if you are new here, please click on the subscribe button. If you're an old subscriber, you're welcome back. So today I'm gonna be talking about self-awareness. Self-awareness is an important part of our personal growth, personal development, and spiritual growth. When we are self-aware, we're able to make better decisions for our goals and aspirations. When we're self-aware, we're able to decipher when someone is being manipulative, controlling, and abusive. When we're self-aware, we're able to know if we are the problem or someone else is the problem. Being self-aware can encompass and move us from 0 to 1,000. I'll give you examples. For example, when you're in a room and then someone is very much irritant or irritable, and then you on the other end, you're calm, you have no issues, and then you come and then you respond to the person, and you ask, oh, hi, how are you? And then the person's like, all of this output and all of that. If you're not self-aware, you would think that you are the problem and you must have done something hurtful to that person. But when you're self-aware, you are able to, regulate your emotions, and then you're able to ask yourself questions like, what did I do? What are my intentions? How did I carry out this activity and all of that? Self-awareness allows us to be able to match our intention with our action. Majority of the times, we do not match our intentions and our actions. We would say we want to do something, or we have an intent to do something, but then the tune in which we carry out that thing or say those things might not match the intentions that we carry. When we are self-aware, we're able to align our intentions with our actions. We're able to make sure whatever we do are in alignment with our spirit and our soul. Self-awareness allows us to be able to make better choices for ourselves. We're able to carry out better quality of life and able to grow into a mature state of mind. Self-awareness, on the other hand, it's very important for us to build beautiful relationships, meaningful relationships with people, because when we're self-aware, we understand how to treat people better, because we much internalize our being. We're able to regulate ourselves and be able to attend to the needs of other people, because we've been able to attend to our own needs. With self-awareness, we're able to heal. With self-awareness, you're able to go in there and unlock those traumas that has caused you to be that person that you're not meant to be, or that has made you to be. You're able to start your healing journey and grow in your healing journey and become a better person for yourself. So, how do you become self-aware? Self-awareness involves you being mindful of your internal state of being. Self-awareness allows you to be able to align your internal self and your physical self. So how do you do this? By being mindful of your thoughts, be mindful of your emotions, be mindful of the words you say to people, and be mindful of the words you say to yourself as well. In order to be able to practice mindfulness, we are able to calm down, analyze what we're thinking, and then ask ourselves if this is making any sense. If we're able to ask ourselves, what am I thinking right now? How am I feeling right now? How is this affecting people around me? How is this affecting me? How am I making bad choices that is affecting my state of mind and my current state of life? When you practice mindfulness, you're able to become sensitive in the way you react, in the way you speak to people, and the way you treat people. You know the saying that when people treat you badly, it's not about you, it's about them. The only way you can be able to regulate that self-thought is when you're self-aware. Because if you're not self-aware or you're not mindful, you will always think you're the problem when you're not always the problem. But with self-awareness, you'll be able to be mindful of how you react and then ask yourself and internalize how you reacted or your actions to be able to know if you had done something wrong and how to fix it and all of that. Another way to be able to practice self-awareness is self-reflection. Self-reflection, having time for yourself, your me time, time away from the chaos of life, that quiet time that you would spend with yourself, to be able to go deep down into those emotions, those thoughts, state of mind. It's like having a personal relationship with yourself. It is in those times that we truly deeply find places, find things that we're supposed to work on. We begin to internalize those things that we need to work on. We find those areas and vacuum that we need to fill, things that we need to do to become better people, to become greater people. That's where personal development starts from, when we have those kind of self-reflection. It is in those times that we're able to have better quality of mind, we are able to unlock and we're able to unlearn and relearn things. Self-reflection is another key step to be able to become self-aware. The other thing is that self-awareness helps us to find our passion and our purpose. When you become self-aware, you understand that these are the things I love to do, these are the things I do not like to do. Am I doing something I don't love? Is this something I should be doing? And all of those things. You're able to ask yourself honest questions, reflect on those questions, and work on those things that you're asking yourself, and find ways to work on things that needs to be worked on about yourself. It is in self-awareness that we are able to truly be honest with ourselves. We are able to really have a very deep personal relationship in ourselves. And because we are self-aware, no one can just tell you, oh, you are A, meanwhile you are B. Do you understand me now? You get it? So becoming self-aware allows you to know who you truly are, understand the personal relationship you have with yourself, so no one else will come and tell you, oh, you're a crazy person, when meanwhile you're just not a crazy person. You're just someone who's happy and full of life. And someone's gonna tell you, oh, you look pink, but meanwhile you're naturally just blue. Because you're self-aware, you don't start to feel bad that, oh, I look pink, they told me I look pink. But because you're self-aware, you know very much that you're blue and you own it. You don't let somebody tell you otherwise. Another way to be self-aware is to have positive self-talk. Look at the person in the mirror and always talk to the person in the mirror. The person in the mirror will never ever lie to you. It will always be honest with you, and it will always be kind to you. You know why? Having to say kind things to the person in the mirror over time builds that confidence, builds that uniqueness, builds your self-worth, and builds your self-esteem. Always tell the person in the mirror all the kind stuff you can ever think of. Don't hold back. Go to the mirror, smile at the person you see, say positive things to the person you see, invest the words of good deeds and great deeds in the person you see. Keep nourishing that person, keep watching the person, and it is in watching and watering, daily watering, that is when flower grows. So it's just like a flower. Take yourself like a very beautiful flower. Keep watering with good words. When you look at the mirror, think of it like a flower and say positive things. Smile at that person. Enjoy your own company. Appreciate what you see in the mirror. Appreciate the uniqueness of you. There's something that makes you very unique and very different from every other person. Do not hold back. Do not hold back. I hope these few tips of mine on self-awareness will help you to go back to your drawing board and start to practice self-awareness, self-mindfulness, practice kindness, and practice understanding your emotions, so you'll be able to regulate your emotions and communicate better, live a better quality of life, build mindful relationships, and love yourself in the end. I hope you understand what I've told you today. Please, please, please practice, and I pray you achieve everything that you want to achieve in life. I hope this helps you today. Please, if you love this video, please click on like, and if you want to see more videos, please comment and tell me what you would love to see me talk about. And please don't forget to subscribe and share my videos to your loved ones. See you again. Bye.